Alright, here's another problem from 6.1. It's another question. X is normally distributed, random variable with a mean of 10 and a standard deviation of 2. Find the value x such that probability that the random variable x is less than x, the value, is equal to 0.86. So let's go ahead and make a picture of this first. So we're told it's random variable, normal random variable, so it's bell-shaped. The information we have, mu is equal to 10, sigma is equal to 2. Now, we don't know what the x value is, but we know it's 0.86 is the probability, which is the area under the curve. So I know 86% is going to be to the right of the mean, and there's the x value, which I currently don't know. And all this shaded region under the curve is my probability. So just like in the last homework problem, if you watched that one, the 6.1 homework question number 1, we're just going to jot down the pieces of information we have. We know that x minus mu over sigma is equal to z, and we know that inverse norm of our probability, 0.86, will equal our z value. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of algebra. I know that x is going to equal twice my z value, so my inverse norm of 0.86, and then I'm going to go ahead and add 10. Alright, if you don't have the algebra steps on that, I'm going to plug in what I do have, which I don't know the x, I know the mean is 10, I know sigma is 2, I know it's going to equal whatever my z value is. I'm not going to write out the inverse norm thing, it's too long. So I'm going to multiply that by 2, and then I'm going to add 10 to both sides. So now I'm just going to go ahead and plug that into my calculator. So we said it was 2 times inverse norm of 0.86, and I'm going to add 10 to that. And there we get what our x value needs to be in order to yield a probability matching the 0.86.